So, good day everyone. So, for today's video and for our last topic, where we're gonna talk about basic data types in Python, which are essential for storing, and manipulating data in any Python program. So, what are data types? Python has built-in data types used to store and handle different kinds of data. Foundation of Python programming. In Python, data types tell the computer what kind of information we are working with. They are building blocks of almost every Python project. Numeric types: int, float, and complex. We'll start with numeric types. These represent numbers, whole numbers, decimals, and even complex numbers. And next is integers. Whole numbers, no decimal point. Examples: 0, 0 and 1, and 1 to 1, and 1 to 42. Here is one of the code example of it. An integer or int stores whole numbers without decimals. Examples include 0, positive numbers, and negative numbers. Here, we store the value 42 in a variable x, and Python confirms that it's an integer. So, the big question is, why data types matter? Data types helps you by store the kind of data, avoid errors, perform correct operations, and build real programs. Understanding data types is important because Python behaves differently depending on what type of data you are using. For example, you can add integers together, but you cannot add an integer to a string unless you convert it. Knowing the right data type will help you write cleaner, error-free code. So, today we've learned Python has built-in data types. Integer or int is used for whole numbers. We can check a values type using. To summarize, Python offers different data types, and integers are used for whole numbers. You can use the function to check the type of any value. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Thank you for listening to my video and God bless.